to let something go that is no longer serving you. Lean in. Good job, Benji. Just took a big sigh. All right, now bat the eyelashes open. Let's take a couple circles in the shoulders here. We'll prep for our breath practice, our pranayama. Alternate nostril breathing. There is a foundational video on this breath practice with me. It's super vintage, so fair warning, but you can go learn the step-by-step there if you like. We'll bring the thumb to the right to affect the way you're sitting, the way you're holding yourself, whatever that means to you. So it could be relaxing your shoulders down on the exhale. It could be filling the belly on the inhale. So as with all our sessions together, I encourage you to really take this time for yourself, make it your own. If all you do is breathe, that's great. If you want to go deep and use your exhale, and the practice of yoga is for sure a beautiful layered cake, just like us, multi-layered, multifaceted.